I'm very grateful to Kazora Jr.
Yes.
for giving me a ride in his cool, brand new electric Ridara.
Yes.
This is what it means
Yeah.
to be involved in the rough physical exercises of Kyankwanzi. I came with these shoes. I was very proud of them. Somehow the soles have given way. There's only one cobbler in Kyankwanzi.
And he was busy.
Was busy washing people's sneakers, polishing shoes. So here I am. But as a former scout, they say, be prepared. So here I am. I have changed into these wellies. I think this will finish.
This will finish
the days. But I have to make up my mind whether I'm going to go to the cobbler or I take them to Gulu to do action.
And you have to go to Gulu.
Yeah.
To Bay.
you know it is good to be local.
But